Camera inspection of side sewer. We're at 120 feet, and at this turn, since due to the distance and the turns that we have inside the house, I'm unable to keep pushing past this turn. Not quite sure how far it is from here to the main. I'm going to pull back and notate some things as we go. First being on the left-hand side here, it appears to be what looks like a tie-in, but at the same time, there's some jagged edges to the bottom of that tie-in that could potentially be a break. Not quite sure. And then we're in a concrete line here, and it's concrete coming all the way back. Concrete's in great shape as far as the condition of this concrete. There's a couple sections where it looked a little compromised. I'll try and slow down and notate those as we go. Small crack on the bottom right of your screen. You can see the rubber gasket that's in between the two pipes, and a little section missing that's allowing you to see that rubber gasket. This is out at 93 feet, which would be out in the street. You can kind of see the rubber gasket in between that section there. Not in a bad way, but just take note of that. Right here on the right hand side, this is the one area I saw on the way out. If you look, that looks like we got a crack right there, and on the left hand side it looks like we do as well. It's creating a little bit of a lip. You see the sharp jagged edge right there? That could be potential for clogs down the road.
Things catch on it.
Yeah. Looks like we got another crack here going up the side on that side, so right here. And it looks like a piece of the concrete that's chipped off.
Oh my gosh, I'll be right back.
right here we're going to pull back and take note of this cast iron with the extremely rusty bottom. Has the potential to cause clogs right through here.